See, I'm telling you, it was during 2007. IMTMA came to BIEC and opened this wonderful place, and started IMTEX here. And that time, Blaser had a stall at Hall 3B, the first floor, and they were having this box, the beautiful box. And I don't know how much time I gone there to pick up this. And now also, this is so beautiful, this box. So you may be knowing Blaser is one fluid manufacturer who is only focusing on metalworking fluids. There are so many lubricant manufacturers, and you can find it different applications, be it in automotive or the lubricant what we put in our two-wheeler, four-wheeler. But Blaser, before 50 years, decided they are only going to work in metalworking fluids. And this time they are in digital manufacturing solutions. Let us find out why a metalworking fluid company is there in this, digital manufacturing stall. We are having here with us Sri Punit Gupta. He is the managing director of Blaser in India. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, Hari. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing extremely well.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So it was great meeting you all before a month at Chennai with Productivity Trophy.
Yes.
That was also a great eye opener for us, because I believe Blaser is not just here to sell something. You are provide solution, also enable customers to go to the next level. Congratulations to you for that.
Thank you very much, Hari.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Now, Blaser is a metalworking fluid,
Yes.
and you concentrate on machine tools.
Yeah.
But why you are in digital manufacturing pavilion?
Okay, Hari, that's a very interesting question. And I'm really glad to tell you something about it. See, digitalization is increasing by the day everywhere. I think it's becoming deeper in our lives. And this calls for different approaches and different mindset alignment also. And all of us will have to go through this journey. So we decided to be on digitalization, on the digital manufacturing pavilion, because as you know, Blaser is a technology leader, and we always think of bringing innovative solutions for the customers to help them win, not only now, but also in future. So that's a strong belief which runs right from Mark Blaser, who is the global CEO, and the whole company is aligned towards that. So accordingly, we said we have been working on certain digital initiatives. So we would like to showcase them here and have some interesting conversations with customer and see what's the pulse here in the market and how do the customers think about it.
So there is a very valid reason why Blaser is here in here, and I think we will be able to know more about that.
I'm sure my colleagues are also here and they will explain a couple of interesting things to you and to our customers through your media.
Thank you. And one more thing, so I see this looks like a pen drive,
Oh, okay, interesting.
And one more thing, Blaser is one company, and maybe they are in the machine tools calls their working fluids a liquid tool.
Yes.
What was the thought behind that? Why a liquid tool? Why a metalworking fluid is a liquid tool?
Okay, that's a very, very interesting question which many customers ask us. See, as you rightly said, the focus in the company has been to help customers win. Markets are very competitive, and our strength is to really pack a lot of know-how, technology, expertise, and then don't sell it as a coolant, as a product, but really offer solutions to the customer. So liquid tool is our value proposition, which helps customer to be more productive, more profitable, and then we approach the whole manufacturing process in a very holistic view. And this is what I think, I'm sure once you talk to my colleagues here, they will be very happy to explain you a couple of very interesting, innovative approaches which we have prepared ourselves here for our customers.
Before we go to your colleagues, I have a question to you.
Yes.
See, you are a German manufacturer.
Swiss.
Sorry, you are a Swiss manufacturer.
Yeah.
You ensure all the qualities are taken care of.
Oh, yes.
You don't sell cheap products.
Yeah.
And it comes with a cost.
Yeah.
And somewhere Indian companies are a little bit cost conscious.
Oh, yes.
So how you manage to become the number one metalworking fluid provider in the country?
I think you said it very rightly. India is a very cost conscious market. And the beautiful aspect with Blaser is, price per liter is one dimension of it. But when we try to bring this whole value proposition to customer with facts and figures and convert into the total cost, then I think customers win together with us. And this has been the success reason that we are able to grow along with our customers, and thanks to customers that they also have this holistic view.
And this view change, from
Yeah,
price to cost,
yeah.
it is not only helping Blaser, I think it is helping India.
Of course, of course. I think the whole manufacturing industry is evolving because the markets globally are very competitive. So competitiveness will increase with time, and competition is not only from the next door neighbor; it's a global competition with our customers also face. And in their journey to be more competitive, I'm very happy to say that we contribute and we have very high potential to work with our customers and help them succeed.
See, actually, we got a success mantra from one of the very successful industry leader in the country. So now I would like to see that, what we can know more about from your Blaser stall.
Absolutely, Hari. I think just take a walk around, and I'm sure there are interesting things. Thank you.
Thank you. So we are here with us, Patricio Villard. So please,
Hello.
yeah, how are you?
Fine. How are you doing? Good to see you.
Hi again, second time.
Yeah, it seems that we are becoming friends.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And I'm very happy that Blaser looks India as a very promising market.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a promising market, and it's a growing market, and it has so many opportunities for us. So we're not new into the market; we're established, but customers are growing, opportunities are there, and especially also the topic of digitalization is coming, also for the Indian market.
So we also have seen that there are a lot of people are just, it's all crowded. We need to create some space for us to talk right now. But how you find the kind of response
No.
you are getting in IMTEX?
I am. It's for me the first time being in IMTEX, and I'm really surprised about the great exhibition, but especially also about our activity on this booth. It was full today. It was full yesterday, and also very, very good discussions about business, about how to provide value to our customers with our coolant solutions. So really, really, very positive.
So from a global perspective, so India is also becoming one of the largest supplier of components, precision components to the global market.
Yes.
What is your message for Indian manufacturers from the Blaser?
Okay. I think first of all, India is a giant market and is becoming a leading market. It is growing, and this is a great opportunity. And I see many of our customers really going stronger into the export. So the quality of Indian products is increasing, and we have a global market which is an opportunity to develop. We would like to do this together with our customers. We have customers all over the world, in the US, in Europe, in Asia Pacific, of course, in Brazil, and I think jointly we are doing a lot of great business together.
That is something a lot where Indian manufacturers can also learn from the experience what Blaser is getting in the other countries.
Of course, I mean there are certain trends which we know which are maybe created in the one or other market, such as sustainability, right? How do we deal with that? What solutions do we have? We as Blaser have defined a sustainability program in order to improve footprint and handprint to the customers. And this has here to develop such an approach for international business. This is just one example. And the other example we will see later around digitalization, which is a train which has started to go. So we want to be ahead of that train, not behind. And that's why we are presenting us here in this booth, in this area where it's about basically Industry 4.0 and this kind of let's say technologies.
So even in the productive trophy, we have seen that you are talking about six dimensions you kept. On
Yes.
that dimension, you were also encouraging or you were rewarding the manufacturers who got benefits from
Yes.
Blaser. So
Yes.
digital manufacturing, along with that in mind, how Blaser will see the future in India.
Well, I think what is important to remember is digitalization per se has no value as such. We have to create the value by using this technology and by applying it for a customer value. So when we were awarding customers with our Liquidtool Analyzer software, which is showing graphically the results of cost improvements. Now it is the question how we can improve this value with digital options, enhancing this productivity gains with digitalization. And I think that's the important thing. We need to apply it, that it is tangible. And this is what we're going to do. And this is what we are showing in this booth. And this is what also our colleagues later on will share with you a little bit more in detail.
Yeah, so we would like to listen to that. By that way, I was not knowing that your Liquid Analyzer and the digital manufacturing was used to understand the performance of
Absolutely.
the people whom you awarded.
Absolutely.
So thanks for sharing that information. So friends, today at this real-time broadcast, we are going to understand how a metalworking fluid can play an integral part in improving your productivity using digital manufacturing.
Thank you a lot. Yes, and I think one thing is to know it, the other thing is to bring it tangible to the customer. And this is why we're using also these tools. People have to understand what is the total cost impact of the coolant, and then they understand what is the benefit and to take a decision. So that's as well one part of our digitalization path.
Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you all the very best in India.
Thank you.
Before just leaving, I just want to ask you one thing. How is the food here?
Well, I love it. I truly love it. And I am the best ambassador in Europe about India. I can truly say that.
Thank you.
That's from my heart. Okay.
All the best.
All the best. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. So we have seen that, Blaser, whatever they do, they are not doing it for today. They are doing it for tomorrow, for the future. Let's find out from their product managers what they are exactly putting up at this, Blaser stall. So we are first finding out smart automated coolant management. Okay, let's find out. Hi. Santosh, how are you?
I'm very good, Hari.
So, Santosh, where you are based up?
I'm based in Gurgaon
Oh, you are at the headquarters.
headquarters.
Excellent. So, what is this? First of all, digital manufacturing. We were able to hear some details from Punit as well as from your colleague Patricio that yes, for Blaser, digital manufacturing is important. So, what about smart automated coolant management?
Really great question, Hari. We are very happy to showcase our digitalization initiatives, some of them, and smart automated coolant management is one such digitalization initiative from Blaser Swisslube. Now, when we talk about metalworking fluid, particularly water miscible coolants, by far concentration is the most important parameter, and it has a great influence on the concentration of and also the process reliability. Now, our IIoT solutions, they support customers in their next steps of automation and digitalization, which on their way to Industry 4.0. And this is a cloud-based solution, and it really helps customers to get the data, process the data, do the analysis, and then give the actions and recommendations. Now, one such solution is Liquidtool Instructor, which really gives the measurement, concentration, and temperature automated measurement, really ensures process reliability for customers. It's a first plug and play device, and data can be accessed from anywhere. And also for some out of range deviations, it also sends the alerts. And this is really a modular approach. The next module is the autopilot, where in addition to smart coolant management, it also helps in smart filling. And the third module is Liquidtool Guardian, which is best suited for central systems with the possibility of also additive addition if there is a requirement. So we are really excited. In India, we are right now in a pre-launch phase, and we are excited to roll this solution very soon in India.
Actually, Santosh, I was not knowing that this is a device. Seriously,
Yes.
I was thinking this was a just a USB port because you are in digital manufacturing. You want to show it's a marketing.
Yeah.
Now I am coming to know this is a device.
This is a smart automated coolant solution for our customers. So this is how it will look like on the real machine, and the concentration and temperature gets
And this
measured.
is live here, live demo.
It is live
It's
demo, and you can see the concentration being displayed, how customers will see on their devices.
And how it will make an impact in machining. Is that
It's a great question, because concentration is the by far, I just mentioned before, It's the by far most important parameter for coolant, and it has a great influence on the process reliability of manufacturing. So if concentration is in the range, customer has a peace of mind that my process is reliable. And in case it goes out of range, he gets an alert, and now he knows that immediately I have to act. So that is the real benefit for customers.
You people like you are making me an engineer. I don't know what kind of engineer you should call, because every day, whomever I am talking, you give some information, and thankfully I'm able to take some details. But I believe one stall which this time people should not miss at IMTEX is Blaser. Why?
Fully
Because
agree.
there is something different which is put there.
Absolutely.
You know how, this liquid tool, this new product, till now they were talking about metalworking fluid as the liquid tool, and today they have made a physical tool which can analyze that and show here,
Absolutely.
which is written here.
Yeah.
And people should see, seeing is believing.
Yes.
One of my other, when we gone an interview, they were telling seeing is believing, and
Yeah.
I completely appreciate. And this is what you are showing it here. Thank you very
Pleasure.
much for this information.
Yes.
And I think I am seeing money now. You see, there is a saving of 1,34,424. So that is, if we are not interested in anything else, we are definitely interested in money, and that money brings me to Gaurav. Hi Gaurav, how are you?
I am good, Hari. How about you?
I am doing great. So you are having a blast here in IMTEX.
Absolutely.
So many
absolutely.
people.
Absolutely. A lot of customers to entertain, quality discussions. We are very happy to have the customers
And give
on
this as
our
a gift.
booth.
I will take all the product managers. I will take one.
Definitely, definitely. But then here, I'm not giving you the oil. Basically, I'm giving you to lubricate your heart.
Thank you. Oh, that's again. So it's a liquid heart.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Now, can you tell me through the liquid tool analyzer of Blaser Swisslube, how I can save this one like 34,424, which you have displayed
Wow,
here?
wonderful. I'm very happy to tell you Liquidtool Analyzer is our simulation tool which helps customers to see their machining process and the parameters in a holistic way. It brings transparency about the data which we collect about the critical machines, tools, parameters, oil consumption, and it will help them to see the quantum of saving which they will have based on our inputs, experience, and expertise. As you can see in this case, which we have highlighted, in this case, the customer is having a saving of 1,34,000. This liquid tool analyzer helps us to connect with our global experts. We take their inputs, and also the customers would be able to see the leveraging effect of their investment in liquid tool. So the right coolant, if correctly used and monitored, will definitely have a very good positive impact on the critical elements of the machining process, which is tool life, surface finish, optimization of the sump life, and also the end users. So we are welcoming our customers to come and then explore the possibilities of having the simulation about their critical machines, critical processes, and then see how much possibilities of saving they have through us with this Liquid Tool Analyzer app.
Whatever you told right now, I'm only seeing profit. I'm only seeing money.
Absolutely.
Improved tool life, money.
End of the day,
I don't. Yeah,
it
I don't have to
counts.
purchase more tools.
Yes.
And you are
yes,
telling about giving a good finish. The customer is happy.
Yes.
That is the biggest challenge. We don't get good
Absolutely.
suppliers today. So
True,
that is
true.
so anything you told. That now I am convinced.
End of the day, what matters is that yes, how much money we have saved it for the customer.
For the country
Absolutely.
to give more employment, to
Absolutely.
bring more investment. So I think you are there going to be there for next 6 days here.
I will be there. Would be happy to receive the customers and tell them more about how much they can save through our Liquid Tool Analyzer app.
Thank you very much, Gaurav. I wish you all the very best.
Thank
And
you,
I will
Hari.
come back to you after this to collect the drum from you. With so much
Definitely.
of goodies there,
Definitely.
which can liquid my heart.
Definitely.
Thank you.
I would be more than happy to lubricate your heart as well. Thank you, Hari.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
So we are able to understand what Punit told in the beginning, that Blaser is not just here to sell a lubricant. Well, it is much above that, and that is where we are going to listen to our next product manager from the remote care tool. So, what is this remote care tool?
Hi Hari, I am Prashant,
I know.
and as you mentioned, we are not here just to sell the lubricants, the coolants, but we are here to give increase the customer efficiency. And one of the way in for now and also in the future is providing digital solutions to customers so that they are having better efficiency, better productivity, and at the end of the day, higher profitability.
So, I just want to ask you one
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
What is this you are showing here, or the remote care tool?
yeah. This is a remote care tool. You know, uh, we are we are not there with customer always physically. So this tool helps us to connect with our customers digitally faster. So if they give us a call that they need some help from us, so we can connect with them digitally faster, and we can go to their site digitally and access their site. We can ask them the requirements, and we can provide instant solution. The initial solution can be provided then and there digitally.
So, I must say that this is the next level of customer support,
Exactly.
next level of ensuring the customer no downtime. This
Yes.
is to ensure you care
Yes.
your customer in the business and
Yes.
their customers.
Exactly.
Wonderful.
So they don't have any downtime, any loss in efficiency. We can provide just by connecting through an digital app for which they don't need any app. We provide a digital link to them. They can connect with us. We go to their site digitally and give the required solution.
This is amazing. I'm telling you today. I got a lot of information from Blaser
Thank you.
and Prashant. I think you are in Pune,
Yes, I
so
am
we
in
will be
Pune.
able to meet more
Sure.
often
Yeah.
and know more details because we see a coolant
Yeah.
as a white fluid
Yes.
which flows with the metal.
Yes.
So our understanding is that two metals comes, there is going to be fire. There is going to be a lot of friction. There is going to be
Yes.
trouble. So
Correct.
this coolant is just making the life easier for those two metal to meet each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah.
But
Making the life cool.
yeah, but today coming here, I understand that that a little bit fluid have a lot of precision,
Yes.
and
Exactly.
that is very critical. and
Correct.
and you people are doing an amazing job.
Thank you so
I
much.
wish you all the very best
Yeah.
for the next 7 days.
Thank you so
And
much.
let me see that where I can find Punit ji again.
Sure. Yeah. Back to Punit.
All the best.
Thanks. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thanks. So we had a wonderful time here at Blaser, and we will try to go and see and look at Punit. But still, before that, let's just go and find out some people who are there, who are looking at Liquid Tool, what they understand about Liquid Tool. Please come. Hello, sir. Sorry to disturb you. See, I am from Machine Maker, so we are doing a live streaming here. So, what's your name?
Tushar sir.
Tushar, you are from which place?
Pune, Chakan.
Chakan. I'm also from Pune, Wakad. Nice to meet you. I'm from Machine Maker. So, what do you do?
I'm working with the Mahindra CI, which is the crankshaft manufacturer and automotive component manufacturer.
I travel through Bosri and I see Mahindra CIE. In Bosri also, you have a plant.
Yeah, it is on many places actually.
I know. So I just want to see. I learned a lot of things coming here at Blaser stall here, understanding Liquid Tool and their lot of solutions which they are now giving digitally. When this Liquid Tool comes in your mind, do metalworking fluid come in your mind?
No, we saw and he was just explaining, and yes, it is the need for future. That's what we are getting understand that what is working and how it is working, and it is really good to know.
It is just a start, I'm telling you. So I also started like that. I thought, okay, this is something, and I thought this is like a pen drive. But later I understood that this is an innovation what Blaser have created. So I'm very happy that you people are coming here. You people are learning more about Liquid Tool. All the very best and a happy IMTEX.
I have mistaken this instrument. I was thinking this is just like a fridge or any electronic machine. After he explained me, then I came to know this is the industrial instrument they have made.
Boss, I thought this was a design like a pen drive, and I'm going to get a pen drive here.
That's the looking at the shape.
See, it is not just about the shape, it is about the solution what they are bringing under this.
Yeah, yeah.
And that is amazing.
This solution is quite good. I must say.
And you are also from Mahindra CA?
Yeah. We are in the same company. I am from engineering. He's from maintenance.
Okay, and what's your good name?
My name is Deepak, and I'm living near to Akar, Sangvi.
Acha, Sangvi mein.
Yeah.
So we'll meet there.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. All the very best for IMTEX.
Okay. Thank you.
See you.
Thanks a lot.
So, friends, we have very good time now. Let's go to Mr. Punit.
Yes, Hari.
Amazing, I must say.
Okay.
When I came to a productivity trophy, I learned something.
Okay.
I thought now I know about metal fluids.
Oh,
Much
okay.
better. I did some, interviews.
Huh?
So I was becoming better. What I never did before 30 years, of 35 years.
Happy to
Not
know.
studying and playing. Now today I am doing that.
Okay.
So somewhere I thought I know. Now I know about metalworking fluid, and that I don't know what I should say. That have been you people have broke that today. They proved that I don't know anything again.
No, I think it's a journey of constant learning and evolution. And I'm really glad. I've been working in Blaser for the last 19 years. And as a company, we have constantly been investing in research and development and always thinking about customers to help them win, not only now, but also in future. And in fact, that's a tagline, what you see here. We help you win now and in the future, right? And that was the reason that we thought we will showcase some digital initiatives here. And with these digital initiatives, customers should be able to get a lot of advantages. So I'm happy that you could meet my colleagues. They explained you.
Yes.
And we are looking forward to work with the customers. And dear customers, if you are listening to this, watching this, we would be very happy to explore the possibilities together with you. If you are in IMTEX, drop by on this booth. Otherwise, let us know, and then we would be happy to come by to your production plants. And my colleagues are very excited. I am excited to look forward to work with you and explore this new dimension in productivity for the future. So thank you very much, Hari, for being here. It was really a pleasure to be here.
Thank you very
with
much
you.
from our side. Seriously, not just me. I think the viewers also will definitely have got a lot of information about that. And one thing I can tell you that you come to Blaser, you make profit.
Yes.
Please continue to do that for the country, for the people, and for more great machining. Thank you very much. And all the very best for all at Blaser here for IMTEX.
Thank you very much, Hari. And dear customers, thank you very much for your trust and collaboration. Look forward to help you to be more successful and then grow together with you in your journey. Thank you very much.